Hello guys, we are back with another tutorial as requested from one of my viewers here in the channel. This guy asked me how to make two units fight each other through using triggering. So what we are going to do is to go to the editor menu, and these two units, this knight here and this paladin here, will fight each other, and I will show you how to do it. It's very simple, so let's do it. Okay, here we are at the editor. So basically you need to put two units here, one from different player, and this is total basics. I hope you know how you do this, and let's go to triggers. Here we are going to add a new trigger. Let's call it player 1, and let us assume that this is player 1. Okay, this is player 1. You add a new trigger here, a new trigger, yes, here. Now this is this is the components of the trigger, which is new effect. We add a new effect. This is the list with the effects. So from this list we go down and choose task object. Okay, now the only things you have to do is to set the object you want to attack. Particular case, it's this one. This object, we want it to attack this object. So we set the object we need to make the move, and the unit that will be affected from the attack. Set location. We have to choose the source player, which means this unit, it belongs to which player. In this specific example, the player is player 3. So this player is number 3, and we ask the editor for player 3 we set this object to attack, set location, this unit. It's very simple. I hope I don't make it complicated. Now we need to do the same, exactly the same, for this unit to attack the other one. So all we have to do, in order to not start from the start again, we copy the trigger, we choose the trigger, we copy it, and now we have the same trigger, and we will make adjustments. So let's rename it player 2, and use the new effect. It is copied from the previous trigger, so the new effect, it's the same as before, but we need to change some things in order to make it work. We reset the object and the location, and now we need this object to attack that one. So we set the object, in this particular case is this one, and we set the location, which is this unit. We click on this unit. Now we choose the source player. In this particular case, the source player here, it's from player 2. We choose the player 2, and basically we are ready to have these units fight each other. Let's give it a try. You see? The units started to attack each other, and it is very simple. Now I will add an extra effect, just in case you want to make it a bit more complicated. What are we going to do is that we don't want them to start to attack each other by the time the game starts, but we want some minutes to pass, some seconds to pass before they start attacking each other. So we go to the trigger from player 1 we choose here. Now, instead of adding a new effect, we add a new condition. This is the new condition. What a condition means? It means that if this happens, then we can proceed to the effect. So, let me be clear. For example, we will choose here the timer. The timer here shows us 10, this is seconds. So what that does mean? The condition is that if 10 seconds have passed, then the new effect is activated. So after 10 seconds, the effect task object will take place. We do the same with the other trigger of this unit. We add the new condition. We choose timer again. We leave it at default, which is 10 seconds. And now what we have done with this: once the game starts, the units will not move until 10 seconds have passed, and then they will start to attack each other. Let's give it a try. You see, nothing happens, but after 10 seconds, simple as that. So this is how you make units attack each other that are controlled by the AI. So if you want to ask more things of how to use units through triggering, feel free to ask. I will do my best to help you to understand how they work. So the knight here won the princess. He can take the princess and go home. He doesn't seem to like the princess. Let's bring the pikeman. Pikeman seems much more excited. Okay, that's it, guys. Please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks.